Okay, here's a quick video on how to change the ticker. So basically log into Chiro HD TV, expand the pages section if it isn't already expanded. And then if you go to kind of the very beginning, you can see your logo, and here's our master template. So this is the one that we have the ticker in it that goes across the bottom. Like anything in here, you just click on it and then we'll hit edit. This brings up our graphic design engine. The only thing to know in here is whenever you click on anything in here, it becomes the active item, and then depending on the active item, you'll see a menu to the left on what you can do with it. And this is just basically an image, so you can swap out an image, you can do some transparency border, you can have it fly in, fly out, you can animate it, etc. Same as the weather, you can click on the weather and you can control how many panels, date, Fahrenheit, different things. So the same thing for the ticker. So we click on the ticker. Now this is the active line at the bottom here, and the menu to the left relates to the ticker. So in here you can just cut and paste the text that you want. You can control the size, the color, the speed at the bottom here. And basically once you change the text for the ticker, you basically just hit save and back, and that will filter down into every playlist. So anything in here, the split, these ones will all have that master template in it, and they will all be updated automatically. And that's about it. So I'm not sure. Just send me this is kind of new software for me, so if there's anything else you want to learn or know about, I can record it in a couple seconds and send it off to you. So let me know if this works and if that answers your question. Thank you.